717, South Line 338, give way to FedEx Hotel. Give way to FedEx Hotel, about 2238. FedEx 724, maintain altitude 115.32. 2532, FedEx 724. Bravo 11, taxi Bravo 11, exit Gateway.
1000. 500.
766, start at Ronnie, runway right, ARAC, please take off on Efron, 71682, line up and runway right, line up wait. 71682, line up and wait, runway right, deep right.
400, approaching minimums. 300, minimums. 200. 100. 50. 30. Retard. Retard.
5130, 1 tower, 180, 9, coming out of right. American 629 on a time way, right, on a way. On a waiting right, American 629. South 621, connect to Park,